Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with Veggie Life. Today we are making restaurant style Veg Kolhapuri. So let's get started. To begin with, I have added 3 tablespoonfuls of oil, 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom and 3 green cardamoms, 3 Kebab Chini and about a tablespoonful of Khus-khus seeds. As the khus-khus or poppy seeds start to splutter, we will add 2 tablespoons of dhania or coriander seeds and give this a quick stir. Now for the Kolhapuri spiciness, go ahead and add about 5 red chillies. You can add more as per your taste, but I like them slightly milder. Now follow it up with adding about 3 chopped onions. I have taken medium-sized onions for this recipe. Saute the onions quickly and add about 3 tomatoes which have been cut into quarters. To thicken the gravy, I am adding 6 cashews to the masala. It's time to add powdered spices. To begin with, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It is important that we keep sauteing the masala to keep it from catching at the bottom and burning. Once done and it has come down to room temperature, let us blend this masala along with some water into a smooth paste. Once the paste has been made ready, keep it aside. In the meanwhile, I have taken a big wok and added about 3 tablespoons of oil, to which I'll be adding about 1 medium-sized potato that has been chopped into small pieces, 150 grams of French beans, and 150 grams of cauliflower which has been separated into individual florets. Saute these vegetables and allow them to simmer for about 10 minutes until they are about 60% done. Now we will add 1 each of red and yellow capsicum that has been chopped into small pieces and saute them for about 5 minutes. Once the vegetables have been sauteed, we will add the Kolhapuri masala paste that we had made earlier to it. Mix the masala well so that it blends along with the vegetables. You can add sufficient water so that the gravy does not become too thick. Allow it to simmer at low to medium heat for about 5 minutes until the oil from the gravy starts to release. After about 5 minutes, you can finally season the dish with salt as per your taste. And in the end, we will finish the dish by adding a little Kasuri Methi. Now your dish is ready. Give it a final stir to blend the masalas well. Restaurant style vegetable kolhapuri is ready to be served. Garnish the dish with some chopped coriander and lemon juice on the top. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until next time, see you at Veggie Life. Bye.